What's up, guys? Welcome back, man. Welcome back to 5-Minute Math here at Herb's class. Today's lesson, as you can see, is on, that's pronounced arithmetic. I know you're used to pronouncing that arithmetic, but in this particular instance, it's pronounced arithmetic. And arithmetic sequences and series. Now first, let's talk about the difference between sequences and series. A sequence is, bang, a particular arrangement of numbers in an order. Now, we're going to talk about a couple of different types of sequences, and the types are different in the way that you get to the next number. So we'll get to that in a second, but a sequence is that particular arrangement of numbers in an order. Now, something like this, bang. So notice how the numbers are separated with commas. So the sequence is this particular arrangement of this numbers in this order. This entire thing, notice there are dots because the sequence goes on. This entire list of numbers will be a sequence. Now, series is different in this. Bang! Series is the sum of that sequence, of that list of numbers. So if we were talking about a series, an arithmetic series here, the number list would look a little bit different. It would look something like this. Bang! This would be how we would write a series. There's a difference. Let's talk about that one more time. Sequence, series. Exactly right. That's the difference. A sequence will have commas. A series will have addition signs. Because the series is the sum of this sequence of numbers. Okay, sweet. So there are formulas that we're going to use that are going to be given to you that I'm going to throw up on the board right now. The purpose of the video is to, once you have determined the sequence or series is arithmetic, there's a certain set of formulas to use for those particular problems. Now, if you're looking for the derivation of that formula, that's on another video. But for right now, once we have decided that a particular series is arithmetic, these are the formulas we're going to use, and I'm about to show you how to use them. Okay, let's do it. So here we are back with our original sequence of numbers. Now, how do you know if a series of numbers is arithmetic or not? I'm going to tell you right now. So every arithmetic sequence, the numbers are separated by what's called a common difference. Exactly. And now this common difference is the difference between two consecutive numbers in my sequence. How far apart are these two numbers? Difference is what you get from a subtraction problem. Exactly right. So to find the common difference, I'm going to take this term and subtract this term. Bang. So the difference between these two numbers is 4. Now, if the difference between every consecutive number is 4, you know what I got? I got an arithmetic sequence. Exactly right. Let's find out what the rest of the differences are. Bang. Turns out, from 1 to 5, my difference was 4. From 5 to 9, my difference was 4. From 9 to 13, my difference was 4. So, if I subtract two consecutive numbers, I get the same common difference. That's what the word common means, because it's the same each time. So, when I add or subtract the same number to get to the next number, that's an arithmetic sequence. And that difference is called the common difference. Let me show you those formulas. Okay, here is the formula to use for an arithmetic sequence of numbers. Now, first off, let's talk about what each one of these variables mean. Now, you may see a different version of the same formula with an A sub n here and an A sub 1 here. And that doesn't change the meaning of the formula or the meaning of the variable. Sometimes this is a U, sometimes this is an A. But let's talk about what each one of these variables mean. First off, so this variable is the term or number that is nth place in line. So what I went ahead and did was I put my other sequence of numbers up here so we can talk about exactly what nth place in line means. This is the very first number, so its place in line is 1. The 5 is the second number, so its place in line is 2. The 9 is the third number in line, so its place in line is 3. And so on and so forth. So if I wanted to find out which number is in the 50th place in line, you know what I can do? Use this formula. So whatever number in line you want to find, this formula shows you how to find the term that is nth place in line. Okay, good. So that u or a sub 1, if this subscript is its place in line, exactly what that is. This is the first term or number in line. So the first number in my line above, 1. Exactly right. So moving right along. And as of course, that number is placed in line. Do I want the first number in line? N would be 1. Do I want the 50th number in line? N would be 50. And finally, D. D is the common difference. What we go by, what we add or subtract to get to the next number. In this particular case, we added 4. Our common difference would be plus 4. So let's try one out. What if I wanted to know the 50th number in this sequence of numbers? Let's see if we can do that.